Hello internet world. Over the last few months I've been searching for the perfect EMR stylus to use with my Kindle Scribe, and Kaweco very kindly sent me out their Sport Connect EMR stylus free of charge so that I could review it and share my opinions with you. Now, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I simply want to share this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. And the first thing I'm really impressed with is the packaging. Very, very impressed indeed. The outer sleeve on this tin reveals some really cool packaging. I do like this a lot. It says here Kaweco. We've got them being established in Germany since 1883. It's really very, very nice packaging. I really do like it a lot. And the stylus was inside some little plastic bag inside as well to protect it. Just really nice packaging. So big thumbs up on the presentation. Also inside that tin we got some instructions. So we've got a QR code to scan for some details about how to connect this. We've also got a little sticker, and then we've got a little user manual as well. And everything is tiny, of course, because it's nice, small, compact packaging. And then we've got the stylus itself. Now, Kaweco also make pens. They make fountain pens, rollable pens, some really nice writing implements. And I indeed have used their regular pens before. I've never used one of their styluses, so very, very interesting to see this modern day stylus, but in a really luxurious package and casing. We've got their sort of emblem on the bottom here. We've got this sort of flat-sided section here on the lid, and then the normal barrel type cylindrical pen style on the bottom. And we unscrew this to reveal the stylus, and we can use it without the cap posted, but we can of course post the cap on here as well just to make it a little bit longer. We have got an inscription on it. It says Kaweco AL Sport Germany on there. We've got the threaded part just here, nice smooth part tapering down to of course where the actual stylus nib is. Feels very, very comfortable in the hand. Without that cap posted, it's still usable, but a little bit short for my liking, so I like to post the cap on this particular stylus. So this is my Kindle Scribe, and now we can get to see how the Kaweco AL Sport Connect EMR stylus actually writes. So let's give this a go. Now, I have experienced a lot of different writing stylus on my Kindle Scribe, and I must say that this is very, very smooth. I do like this a lot. That is very smooth. I like it that I've still got the feedback. The Kindle Scribe surface gives some nice feedback when you're writing. So we've still got that feedback. We've still got that slight sort of texture coming through the nib from the surface here, but it just feels a lot smoother. I mean, I've got my Kindle stylus on the side here, and this just feels a lot smoother, a lot more controlled actually. Very, very nice indeed. I do like that a lot. So writing with this is a real pleasure. We've got a nice amount of resistance, but as I say, it just seems to flow a lot smoother. That is really very, very nice indeed. I'm impressed with this. And in fact, I've been using this for the past 2 weeks. And would I rate this as a better writing experience than the included stylus? Well, of course, the included stylus has got the benefit, if you've got the premium pen, of being able to turn it over and erase. The Kaweco offering obviously hasn't got that feature. There's no erase function on it at all. If I turn this over and try to erase, it won't. But if you can overlook that, you can still, of course, go onto your eraser and erase. You can still, of course, select the lasso and erase a whole section. So you are only really missing out on quickly turning it over and erasing. You can still write, and if you make a mistake, you can just simply tap on erase and erase what you've done. So it's not a deal breaker. The luxury, the feel, the responsiveness, the smoothness of this offering from Kaweco is very, very good indeed. I really like it, and I'm going to continue using it with my Kindle Scribe. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, if you want this really great writing experience, I'd really recommend it. Then of course you can purchase one of these using the links down in the video description. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. I want to thank you all for watching. Please do drop me some comments, please do hit like, and of course please do subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.